Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just a quick quality sound and visual test. Can you see me? Can you hear me properly? Can you see the charts? Perfect. I just opened all of my charts. Well, I want to see the overnight high to reject the price and make a C2 closure, and then going lower. It actually failed the gap. YM is already rejected the area. Yeah, YM is just ranging. Is back to the fair value gap. Nothing yet. I'm gonna see the gap fill. Yeah, ideally we wanna see 47, 611 ish on IM. Interesting to see the YM 1 hour time frame made the C2 and C3 was a consolidation. Now the C4 was a retrace back to their latest OB. It turned to be bearish, and now the C4 retested that area. Hmm. What's your plan, guys? What are you looking for in the market today? Ugh. Gold is funny. Good morning, Nicole. Wow. Leo and Kane, they are streaming the lab. Probably I won't touch crude oil today. I want to see this gap to be filled. At least 50% of the gap. The gap fill is not bad because if the price, then we can anticipate lower prices. I'm gonna see 47,620 on YM. I want to see a C2 from the overnight high, from this fair value gap. The price already reached the pre-daily low, so I want to see lower prices. I want to see these low resistance liquidity to be taken, these two. I'm looking for this level. YM had a huge rejection from the 47,880. Don't forget to guys like the video, please. The only problem with this price action is indices. Good morning, Alan. Indices lying, so we want to see lower prices on indices, and because gold and indices went out together higher, that's fake. Based on the current circumstances we have right now. Yeah, I want to see YM to tank in the next hour. The price reached already the -4 standard deviation level from this retrace, so on a 1 minute time frame. I want to see lower prices on indices. Let me just open the financial juice website. No news yet. Bum 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 bum. Let me see euro. Mm-hmm. I just wanna short. I don't see why price should go higher. I wanna see why I'm just tank in the next 10 minutes. Literally 47,530. I forget the YM. YM is like 100 point in one micro is $50, right? Yeah. I wanna see literally really the price just going to take the 47,530 first and then like a free fall till this 47,000-ish level. 700. I wanna see 700 point lower on YM. That's the thing I wanna see. Okay, let me see. Euro. There's no fractal on euro, so doesn't make any sense. We gap down. We feared the range low, and then we rejected. 1 hour time frame. The time frame. Time. Let me just mark that. Yeah, with one micro. Yeah. Pre-daily high was here. This is the pre-daily low. Well, we're gonna see lower prices as well. You see how slow they're training you? It's like pre-daily low. So the 1 hour time frame is bearish. We gap down and we made this bearish, huge bearish candle here. You see this tank? Now it's retraced back to the order block on the 1 hour time frame. So it's really bearish. The euro as well. I want to see this low to be taken. This is an overnight low. I want to see overnight low actually. Yeah, I don't use YM. That's too expensive. We have no confirmation of the sweep yet. Okay, overnight low has to be taken on Euro. Oh, sorry, that's a YM, not Euro. Damn. I should drink a cup of coffee, guys. Nobody was telling me I'm working on Euro. Wow, not Euro, YM. Yeah, but does it look like bearish, guys? Gap down, fill the gap, this area, now I tank and I retrace back to the fair value gap to the left or that block. I want to see lower prices. Ideally, we want to see a C2 here and then see C3 to short lower. We had a C2 here, 1 hour time frame. We want to see a C2 here as well from the 1 hour fair value gap. Jeez, I'm gonna make another cup of coffee. Maybe I'm a bit sleepy, I don't know. I'm being sleepy the whole day. It's already like 3:45 p.m. here, guys. Okay, yeah, I want to see lower prices. I want to see the overnight low to be taken. The overnight high wasn't taken on YMs. That means we have a SMT. Let me double check just in case. Okay. Overnight high. So the 7 o'clock and the 4 o'clock. 7 o'clock, you see? And the 4 o'clock. And now the 9 o'clock swept the 7 o'clock. So now we have a SMT with between YM. There we go. I like the idea. Perfect. I want to see lower prices. Beautiful. That's between the 7 and the 9 o'clock. Between 7 and 9 o'clock, you see? Let's go. Tank, 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 tank. Overnight. Low has to be taken. Or market is a scam. I want to see a C2 here. Even if it's bullish. It's going to be bullish now. The daily anticipation was bullish, but it was disrespected. So the daily anticipation now it's bearish. Alright guys, I'm gonna make my cup of tea. I mean a cup of coffee, my bad. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see what happened in the market. Okay, gold finally took out the overnight. Okay. Yeah. You have SMT. I don't know guys, what was this move? Like 460? We went up to 270, almost 110 points in 5 minutes. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's go. We wanna see some good price action. I wanna be able to trade today. I feel like, yeah. What's your 2 cents today, guys? What you looking for? I still miss likes, guys. If you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It's gonna help a lot to build my channel. I don't know, this price action kind of difficult to go with. Probably the price can go higher. You have SMT. I am. Damn, dude, what happened with SP 500? That's crazy. Who's gonna tell me why was it flying like that? Of course, New York was. Iranian officials are studying abundant uranium condition for ending the war. Okay, so that's why the price was flying. Look. That's crazy. That's why it was flying. That's why I was not going lower. Let me see. Wow, look at this crude oil. This market manipulated by headlines, guys. We got one news and it was flying. JP Morgan said, buy the deep, V-shaped rebound likely. Thank you, JP Morgan. Who's gonna buy the dip, guys? Neither me. Literally, it means like, I don't know, you can buy every pullback now because the news are good. I don't know, guys. The blockade has started right now, like, oh no, in 1 minute it's gonna start, or 2 minutes. You know that, right? So the Hormuz blockade is gonna start 10 p.m. At 10 a.m. 15 more seconds. That's crazy. The most important part is that we feel the gap. We can move lower from this level if there is no acceptance around this level, I think. We still have SMT with YM, right? Alright, 10 o'clock candle, guys. But this is like bomb. 10 more seconds. If the price wants to go higher, then we can use the 1 hour body, 5 minutes continuation entry model. Yeah. We have this high here. Yeah, I see this this level should come like 68, 64, which is gonna be this level, 330 something. This level should be taken. The previous 1 hour range was here. Yeah, that was a gap. So the market opened lower, but that was a closure. So literally it's here the gap to the tick a bit higher. So that's why I want to see if the price wants to go higher to take this. I want to see now this 270 level first. I like this 197 too. Okay. This coffee is really hot. Look at this, like YM is tanking now. Yeah, it's okay, nothing crazy, but I think it's really hard. Let me just take off the lead. All right, I'm back. Let me see your. Yeah, have another one, Nicole. Let me see Tanya. Where is Tanya? Here. She has no entry. And there is another girl, I don't know, her name is Salma. You see? Indices are not in sync. It's going lower, Nasdaq is going higher. YM is going back. There was inverse fair value gap, and I have this order block. The price should respect this order block, right? You still have something. The 4-hour time frame is bullish on YM. Why do I see this on the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, we had the 4-hour bullish candle as well, so based on the M15 it can be a long opportunity back to the range. But I don't know, like, why the price should go higher when we have this big drama again. Something is fishy. But here we had as well M5, sorry, H4. My point of interest. Let me see. H4 UI. Let me go on the 15 minutes. Not bad. We want to see the pretty low act as a support and have a fair value gap here. I want to see the 36. What's the exact number? 37, yeah. Yeah, but because it's so close, I can anticipate a retrace first, like playing games, and then price gonna go higher. Yeah. I want to see at least like 30 points retrace before the next 100 point to go higher. This is too close. How many times we have seen this, the price gonna just reverse from this level? Oh, I see Trader Tom. Trader Tom is longing. He opened the long on the YM. 626 level. Who knows? Yeah, we have seen many times. Yeah. Who knows who is Trader Tom? I can tell Nasdaq is stronger than SP 500. Yeah, he's longing. Only problem is the price gonna go lower, it has to come back the 228 level, which is a lot of points, like 80 points, because there is a latest imbalance on the 5-minute chart. You see here, that's lower than the H1 point of interest. Yeah, this price action is not ideal, I see. There is no... I can't find anyone that we can... Who else we can watch? Let me see. Dasha is off now. I wanna see a 273. Like there is nothing there. 273. I want to see this level first. Let me go on the 3 minutes. Yeah. On the 3 minutes there is an order block. But we already disrespected the order block on 3 minutes. So I want to see this one to disrespect it and come back this fair value gap, but I'm not trading 3 minutes. I need 5 minutes because it's my strategy. Wasn't the best the 1 hour? What you talking about? The last 1 hour candle was crazy strong. Oh god, nah. Guys, you're always choosing the most difficult asset to trade. Check gold on the 4 hour time frame and tell me what you see. And then check the 1 hour in relation 4 hour. And check the session relation. Don't forget, gold is reacting how indices. Here we go, you see it's going closer to the 270-ish. That's 272 has to be taken. Let's go. And I'm gonna see a sharp reaction, all going lower, but has to touch 272. Has to. Yeah, YM, I don't care. I'm gonna put gold instead of YM. You see the second destroyer on the 4 hour? Took out what? Took out the low and then took out the high on the 4 hours. So probably it's ranging. Yeah. And you see my annotation I post in the group. I wanted to see lower prices. That was almost a perfect example, and the price didn't do. It was just ranging. So the price disrespected my early idea to short the price, and that was the time I was like, okay, I don't want to touch gold because it's ranging. Boom, 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 boom. See, it's range. That's why when I saw the London, 72 was taken. Thank you. That's what I wanted to see. Now, ideally, we don't want to see. We want to see sharp rejection from this level or just a tank back to the 230. But yeah, so back to the thing. Gold is just range bound, ranging below the pre-daily low. It's not strong to close higher, but feel the gap. I'm not really a big fan of the price action. You see, I'm gonna close crude oil because it doesn't make any sense to see the chart. Here, Nasdaq, we had what actually what I really think is gonna happen. So what happened? We had the consolidation, and then we had the London sweep. So I want to see still lower prices based on the session, because what we had here, this is the session POI, when I want to see New York AM session to reverse. So this is the reversal area. I want to see the price to reverse here and take all this low resistance liquidity back to this 7-hour fair value gap, you see? Yeah. Because this was, but even we can see on the 1 hour time frame. We want to see a reversal. And with my point of interest, I don't need this here. So that you see what happened. We get the retrace manipulation, because the last area here, there was a consolidation. I want to see lower prices. I want to see, not sure, maybe 15 minutes or even 5 minutes can actually shows us reversal. I want to see this level to hit now. Yeah, but I want to see a nice entry, okay? Even the 4 hour, because the session liquidity. Yeah. There was a two back leg back to this area, so I want to see a reversal here. Section should be bullish because this disrespected this bearish London. I mean, like, that was a sweep. We had no closure on this inside the London session, so this is not valid, and the price went just higher. Took out this. I wanted to see a classic sell day today, by the way. 4 hour time frame is bullish, but we swept already the high. We don't want to see open high low close on the 4 hour. We want to see open low high close. And the gold as well. Gold actually was kind of better, because you see, I checked the session liquidity as well when I was looking for shorting price lower, because what happened, we had the Asian London session swept the Asian session high close back to the range. So ideally I wanted to see lower prices. The 4 hour time frame supported this idea at this area, you see. So I wanted to see the 6-hour candle going lower. On the 1-hour time frame, what happened? We had this lovely here, the 7 o'clock, we had a 1-hour sweep as well. So I wanted to see it going lower to this fair value gap and this overnight low. On the 15 minutes, the 4-hour was confirmed as well. What with this 7 o'clock and 15, so that was a good short opportunity, but it was not that enough point for me. I wanted to see this area to be taken, and now we had this sweep and price trying to take this liquidity in gold. So we need a closure. We had no closure because the price gapped down in the M15, you see. And then bad thing is that we had this C2 on gold, but we had this whole range, so we have to use the whole range. Ideally wanted to see the price respect this 4-hour POI, and if it makes a M15 inside this 4-hour POI, then we can short. But the problem is that it didn't close below, it actually closed back and then opened lower than that, and that's why it's like not ideal to take this short. But ideally you could short from here and target 2R. If you enter here blindly, you can put your stop loss here. You can still target 2R because we have a no wick here, which is my first target. You see, no wick there, no wick there. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Whoa, 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 Tanya shorting already. Shorting what? Not just she shorts, but she's shorting that Salma as well shorting with I can see how many points. Okay, she's shorting with 1 micro. Yeah, I think she just doesn't wanna miss the entry. That's why she entered. Tanya shorting Nasdaq with 5 micros from the 280 from the fair value, invest fair value gap, I guess. What time frame she uses? Boom, 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 boom. I don't know, guys. It's too small. I can't see that. Let me see her time, her candles. Yeah, she's shorting from here. Yeah. Yeah, that's her invest fair value gap. Would you short from here, guys? And she put her stop loss here, so she entered like this. Oh, we got the news, guys. Something came out. That was a big move in a second. I guess we got the news. Okay. So yeah, she's shorting from that level. Yeah, I want to see lower, but it's not a question for me. Gold failing. Yeah, but we need a closure with gold as well. Now, hopefully Nasdaq for her on the 5 minute. Hopefully that I don't want to see this on the 5 minutes or on 1 minute. So hopefully that's gonna hold for her, this and 5, wherever you get. Yeah. Trump, again, if any of Iranian ships come anywhere close to our blockades, they will be immediately eliminated. That's why was the price tanking. But the market bought back straight. Didn't give any, like, they didn't care at all. What about gold? Yeah. It was 24, yeah, 1 minute ago. I don't know, guys. This price action is like, I don't know. We're still in uptrend. I want to see higher prices, guys. Because this high, I wanna see this 330 to be reached. Okay, three. Yeah, I want to see higher prices, guys. Gold, I don't care about gold. What I see is the price was, so the price here on Nasdaq retested this pre-daily low and supported, and here on SP 500 retested and it almost went higher, you see. So boom, and the market bought it back. So if this candle is gonna be bullish and take out this 64 level, the price should go higher from this level, at least to take out the previous 1 hour candle high, this high on SP 500 and this high on Nasdaq. I just like, I don't know, shorting from here. I think this volume area high should come, because the volume area low rejected the price. I think this 33 should come. 33, guys, like really, I'm telling you, I wanna see the 33 to be taken. Let's go. Whoa, see this news, go check financial juice, guys. Let's go. I want to see higher prices. Go first, now 309. 309-ish. 308, yeah. I want to see 308 right now before it goes lower. Yeah, I want to see the price. Yeah, he tweeted. I cannot because it's I can't show you because it's a Truth Social. It's about that he's gonna hit hard the iron ships. And it's gonna be a clean, like yeah, you can read it. Like I can post here. Look this. Yeah, I posted, guys. Come on, I wanna see 308. 308 first. There is a big seller at 308. Yeah. Just go. Just go, baby. Just go. Oh, what a surprise. It took it out. 308 exactly. To the tick, baby. Nice. Now we have a big buyer at the level of 396. So if 396 is gonna fail, then we're gonna go lower. Look at this 1 hour time frame. Did we make any M5 changing state of delivery? On SP500 we made. So that could be a good bullish opportunity to long from here to R. I'm just gonna annotate. I'm not in the trade, guys. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, price is approaching the level. Here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Done. Seems like the buyer just, oh no, he's still fighting. The bears and the bulls are fighting at this level. Mark the level, guys. Okay, the bears and the bulls are fighting between 87 and 97. 10 points. That's crazy. Let's see who's gonna win the war here. No confirmation yet. This is an important level, guys. The 87 between 97. If I have to say something, I think the market's gonna go lower from this level and they're gonna post news at the same time to point at the news, but I think it's because the sellers were stronger than buyers at this level. Let me see. Yeah, if they're gonna lose this area, then 180 is coming. Exactly 170. There is a big buyer between 165 to 170. That's a big buyer. seems like they're still holding the price. The bulls are still holding the level. No confirmation yet, guys. Okay. Because it can be a bull flag or a bear flag, sorry. So now it closed above this, and then the price close above this if we use this area. Really up to you guys, but that was a long opportunity here to continuation, not in the trade. Exactly the same level on SP500. This level is the important level. If it's gonna fail, probably it's gonna range bound, because right now it's a range, you see. And this is funny to see, this is the middle of the range. So yeah, sitting on my hands, baby. Let's go, give us an entry. Gold is a joke, guys. You see gold between this and this level, and the 50% is the most important area. Oh wow, Nicole. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. It's just a Monday. It's just Monday. You can trade tomorrow. I hope you're gonna. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't like the PE as well, but you know, sometimes you don't like your job, and you do the best. You're not just working when everything is smooth and easy. You're working when it's, you know, the price action is garbage. Yeah, I mean, like, you can tip it. Don't forget to make the weekly recap of gold and crude oil as well. Okay, I think you just only made for Nasdaq, and you as well, guys. Don't forget to work hard. Okay, otherwise the full-time trader life is gonna be just a dream, and that's not good. Yeah. Okay, now I think they lost the level, and I want to see lower prices. Let me check. Yeah, you can do CL as well. I did CL, Nasdaq, and gold. I didn't do SP500 because it's all. I made SP500 and not Nasdaq because that was similar. Or I made Nasdaq. Doesn't really matter. One of the indices. Most of the time they aligned. So. Okay, now it's retesting again the OB, which shouldn't be. Because why? Because we already tested. So probably the price gonna go low and visit this 45-ish area. So it's gonna be like an area where the price gonna explore a bit, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. Have a good day. Bye bye. I don't know why people they use footprint in trading you. That's not accurate, guys. Okay, go back to my level. I wanna see the 298 now on Nasdaq. You see. Yeah, 280 is important as well. Bum 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 bum. Probably we're gonna have SMT here, guys. It can be a cheap short actually. I want to see a bit higher. I want to see the price to tap into the 298.75, and then if it's gonna reject that level-ish, I would short. Now I want to see the price to going higher, like 5 more points at least, $5 more. Right, gold is now not my cup of tea, guys. Still has to tap in before it goes lower. Did anybody? Up, here we go. Now it's coming. Up, okay, here we go. Now it's tapped in, and I want to see a rejection from this level if it wants to go lower. If not, and then it's gonna go higher. Okay. The bears actually lost their position, so ideally we wanna see I think 312, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's gonna retest the 293 first and then going higher. I wanna see that level. I wanna see 313 now. I want to see that level to be taken. This level, guys, has to be taken now. Okay, I want to see that level. That's the closest low resistance liquidity between the 309 and 3013. This is the level I want to see now, the price to go towards, make a new high, and then reverse if it wants to reverse. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's what I was talking about. Boom. Now I want to see a reversal from here. We took it out. I want to see that the bear step in again. Okay. Maybe it's gonna go and hit the 317.75. There is a gap, has to be filled. Okay, it's filled. Now I want to see a reversal from here and going back to the 299. Going back 299. Come on, you want to go back to 299 now. You have to retest that area to make sure that more bulls are stronger than bears. Bum bum. Let's go. 299. Here we go. I only see bulls at the level 299. I want to see some bears to step in now to avoid the price going higher. If it wants to go lower, then it should happen now. Here we go, yeah. We got a structure change in the 5 minutes. Yeah, I wanna see the price going back that level. 306. Here we go. There is a level 304 to 299. Here we go. We tap in. Beautiful, beautiful. 299. Let's go. There is still 299. You wanna have that one. That inside the latest bullish 1 minute order book. There is an imbalance. Has to be balanced. Yeah, go lower. Go. Here we go, here we go. And the last one, 292. 292, and then you can reverse, you can go higher. 292. In the trade. 292. No, 292.25. And go now. You wanna go there. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the the tape reading. No entry for me because I'm not reading 1 minute, but I like to tape read the price action. I want to see the bears to push the price lower, and then we can reverse and going lower. Here we go, 290, come on, 292.25. You wanna take it out. That's a failure swing above that level. Let's go, take it out, That's a fake move. No, not the direction. Go lower. It's gonna take it out 292.25. Here we go, 92 is coming. I want to see 92 before it goes higher. Let me just put some more things on my chart. I don't see any delta supporting this up move. Oh boy. I'm gonna see that 292 to be taken, guys. Did we have a closure finally? Let's go. Okay, nice. Nice, I see the bulls actually have a confirmed area. More seconds. Dude. price left the level here, the 237. You must be kidding. 237 has to be taken. Guys, are you still here? Can you see me? Because there was some problem with the stream. Now I think my internet just went away. Or not, I think I'm cool. You can see me and hear me. Can you just confirm that, please? Yeah, I think it's good now, yeah. Beautiful. All right, let me have a coffee break. All right, here we go. Yeah, the market is flying. Beautiful. That's why we weren't shorting, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the live. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Don't forget to like the channel and like the video. That's gonna help us, help me to grow the channel. And don't forget, don't make any stupid mistake. It's only Monday, okay? And if you actually not part of my Discord group, please find the link in the description and just subscribe. I have my pre-market analysis there and all the weekly recaps. All right, here we go. See you tomorrow, guys.